Hey guys! Wait, there we go. As you can all see, I have a cowgirl hat slash cowboy hat. And basically my dad gave this to me. And there will be a lot of rotating in this video because I have a crack on my screen. So I'm going to just rotate this real quick. There we go. And there will be one more rotation because I do want to show you guys something that I found really cool. So go here. Watch. If you all know this game, there's this game called Skyrim, and it's actually a really cool game. It reminds me a lot of GTA 5 because you can steal, you can choose your own character, but it's really cool. And there's this lock picking, and basically to get it into my phone or whatever device you're using, once in a while, basically what it is you just have to rotate the lockpick and it will keep breaking if you get it wrong, and if you get it right, it'll I like to do this. I like to do this and just keep pulling down, because if you keep pulling down, dang it. There are 3 difficulties. One is noob, one is amateur, and one is elite. That's the name of it. Basically, if you don't know how to do this, I wouldn't really recommend elite to anyone. Not even like those that don't know how to play it. I'm not saying that you're not really smart. That's not what I'm saying at all. I'm saying because I can't do elite. It took me about legit like 5 minutes, if not more, to get past elite. And see, that's basically all you do. You just keep rotating the lockpick until you can actually turn it all the way, and that's how you can get into your device. I actually recommend this, and these are some of the games that I have and websites. It's called Lockpicking Locks, and it's a really cool device to use. And I'm gonna rotate it one last time, but it will be moved. There we go. So you guys should really try it out. It's actually really cool. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. I will be getting a different app and doing a tour around Minecraft. Minecraft Who's Your Daddy. I'll just be doing a tour, and there'll be 2 parts to it. One part's gonna be the bottom floor, like the bottom, like the garage and outside and stuff, and the other part is gonna be upstairs. Well, have a nice day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.